Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. This is Sultan Mahmud Shahed. Today, I'm going to show you a new keto recipe. This is going to be a keto vegetable recipe. Initially, when I started my keto journey, I struggled a lot finding a good way of eating vegetables. And I'm sure many of you are having the same struggle. Previously, I used to eat vegetables with rice or bread or something like that. But since I started my keto journey, I cannot have rice and bread and things like that. So I had to find a new way to have vegetables. So I experimented a lot with different types of recipes. And fortunately, some of them have worked really well for me. So this is one of those recipes that I love, and I hope that you all will enjoy it too. So let me just show you how to make it. Thank you. Dear viewers, to start with, we have taken a chicken breast fillet and cut it into small pieces, and then we have marinated it with half teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, half teaspoon of soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and finally 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, or you can use the normal cooking salt. Now mix them well and marinate for half an hour. After half an hour, cook this chicken, marinated chicken, on a pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. When they turn a bit brown from all sides, then you put the vegetables. You need to boil the vegetables depending on what type of vegetables you are using. So I have taken 3 different types of vegetables here. You can use more or less, it's up to you. So you need to boil them with a bit of salt before you put them here with the chicken, and then you give it a good mix and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then you can add some capsicum for flavor and a bit of heat, and you can use other types of herbs as well. Then we are gonna add some finely chopped red onion for flavor and a bit of crunch in the vegetable. This is totally optional, you can skip this. Now we are gonna cook these vegetables for another 2 minutes, and then we're gonna check the salt, and if we need, we're gonna add some more salt to it. We need to keep stirring the vegetables on medium flame, and then at this stage we're gonna add some cream cheese. So I bought this cream cheese from a local superstore. You can use any cream cheese that you find in your local superstore. You can use other types of cheese of your choice as well. For example, cheddar cheese or your homemade cottage cheese. So any cheese you like, basically, you can add. So I've added about a tablespoon of cream cheese. It's easy to mix, and I like the taste, but feel free to use any other type of cheese you like. Now you need to mix everything well so the cheese blends together with the vegetable. After stirring everything well for a minute or so, take the pan out and serve your vegetables on a plate. Look how beautiful it looks, and the taste is even better. It looks so delicious. I could not wait to taste it, and when I tasted it, it was just amazing. It felt like everything melted in my mouth. I didn't have to chew like normally you have to chew the vegetables for so long. It's creamy, it's cheesy. You don't feel like you are actually having vegetables because it has chicken in it and so many flavors. So viewers, try it yourself at home and see how you like it, and let us know in the comments. Dear viewers, if you have liked this recipe, please press the like button and share it with your friends and family. Also, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you get notified when I upload my next recipes. Thank you very much for staying with me.